Hello, everybody. This is Ye Chen-yun from South Korea. How was your days, everyone? Today is the Thursday, so it's kind of almost end of the week. So keep it going, guys. We still have we only have one more day to rest with the weekend. Okay. So we're gonna have a continuing class from the previous class, which is experience plus asking. Experience plus asking. Okay, so we're gonna review for the one more time, and then we're gonna do how we can write it down for the your homework thing. Did you do the homework, everybody? Even you guys didn't do it, totally fine, because we are gonna doing right now. Okay, and if you guys are ready, then I'm gonna share my screen. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. All right, so like this, everyone. So today's gonna be the class for experience plus asking version 2. Okay. So as you can see in here, I'm gonna simplify the word for the writing to W and reading for the R and speaking for the S. Okay. Let's review for the one more time. And then we're gonna go to the practical class. Okay, right away. For the have, if you have experience, then you can, this is the general things, which is plus blah blah, 니은 저기 있다. blah blah, 니은 저기 있다. Okay, but if you doesn't have any experience, if you don't have any experience, then now you can say blah blah, 니은 저기 없다. 있다 is the positive, 없다 is the negative meaning. Okay. 있다, blah blah. Have not is blah blah. 니은 저기 없다. Okay. So let's say if you have an experience, but if they doesn't have any down consonant, then what was it? Yes, plus blah blah. 니은 저기 있다. This is how we can writing down, everyone. Okay. This is blah 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 plus blah blah 니은 저기 있다. Writing is this one, but speaking is what? blah blah 니은 저기 있다. blah blah 니은 저기 있다. Okay. If you have a experience and that word also already have a down consonant, then how you can say blah blah 저기 있다. blah blah 저기 있다. So if they have a down consonant, it's going to be If they doesn't have any down consonant, then just plus nian. That's all. That's why we're just writing with this one for the general explanation. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Have not. If you already have an experience, but that word doesn't have any down consonant, as I told you before, is it what? blah blah 니은 저기 없다. blah blah 니은 저기 없다. Okay. If they have a consonant, then now we can say blah blah 저기 없다. blah blah 저기 없다. This is how you can writing down. Okay. How about the speaking? We don't speak out with the 없다, 있다. Okay. And this is the one of the typical describing word, as I told you. What is it? Blah blah. If they have a down consonant, doesn't have any down consonant, and if you want to say to the people that you have experience, how you can say blah blah 니은 저기 있어요. blah blah 니은 저기 있어요. blah blah 니은 저기 있어요. Okay. If they have a down consonant, then how you can say blah blah 저기 있어요. blah blah 저기 있어요. Okay. How about the have not? If they doesn't have any down consonant, then now we can say blah blah 니은 저기 없어요. blah blah 니은 저기 없어요. All right. If they have a consonant, easy format. blah blah 저기 없어요. blah blah 저기 없어요. Okay. It's not that difficult, everybody. Okay. All right, so asking was what? Easy. Speaking plus question mark with a high intonation for the last letter. You guys remember, huh? So let's say have experience but doesn't have any noun consonant. How you can say blah blah 는 저기 있어요, but with a question mark and a high intonation for the last letter. Then how it's gonna be? blah blah 는 저기 있어요. blah blah 는 저기 있어요. Okay. If they have a consonant, then how you can say blah blah 저기 있어요. blah blah 저기 있어요. Okay, let's go. If they doesn't have any down experience, and the word also doesn't have any down consonant, then how you can say blah blah 니은 저기 없어요. blah blah 니은 저기 없어요. Okay, if they have a consonant, then how you can say blah blah 저기 없어요. blah blah 저기 없어요. Okay, that was our previous class. Hope you guys already memorized it. And we also did this one. This is I just give you for the tip. Okay, do 하다 is doing is you can say 하다. So have an experience now. You can say 하 plus there doesn't have any down consonant, so blah blah 니은 저기 있다. blah blah 니은 저기 있다. Okay, so how you can say 한 적이 있다. 한 적이 있다. Okay, so just write down the N like this, right? Okay, how about this one? 먹다. 먹다. Okay, 먹다 already have a down consonant in here with the 기억, right? And now you can say 먹 plus blah blah 저기 있다. blah blah 저기 있다. Okay, then now you can say 먹은 저기 있다. 먹은 저기 있다. This is how you could pronounce it. All right. Let's start, everybody. Sleep. How you can say? You have experience. Okay, I'm gonna just like this. I'm gonna write like this. Okay, experience. You have it. Okay, you have experience with the sleeping. Of course, you will gonna have it because at least you're not a vampire or something, right? And let's say with the speaking version. Then how you can say? 자다 doesn't have any down consonant, so 자 plus and blah blah. Which one have to use it? 니은 저기 speaking is what? 있어요. So then how you can say? 잔 저기 있어요. Alright? 잔 저기 있어요. This is how you can writing down. But it's hard to pronounce it. Then how you can say? Then how you can say, everyone? 잔 저기 있어요. 잔 적이 있어요. This is how you can use it. Okay? Not that difficult, isn't it? 잔 적이 있어요. This is how you can reading or speaking. Okay? Easy, guys. Easy. Okay, last one. Next one. 보다. 보다 doesn't have any also down consonant. Okay? Then let's try to asking. Okay? Well, of course, it's experience. You need to, when you're asking, you usually we usually asking for the they already have experience or not. They already have an experience, right? Then how you can say 보 plus blah blah 적이 있어요 plus question mark, right? Then how you can say after that one? How you can say? Sorry guys, this one. 니은. Right? Then how we can say 본 저기 있어요. Have you ever seen like this? Okay, so then how we can say 본 적 이 it you. This is how you can writing down. But with the speaking, how you can say 본 저기 있어요. This is how you can write reading or speaking. Okay. 보 plus blah blah는 니은 저기 있어요. Alright, because the reason is what? Because they doesn't have any 다운 consonant. Okay, let's go to the next one. There we go. They already have this one. 만들다. Okay. Actually, in here, we have a special case because we need to remove this one. This is a special case, okay? So you can just memorize this one. It's called L deletion, real deletion. Okay, so it's gonna be 만드 plus, just memorize that. We're gonna learn about this one in the future, okay? With real deletion, but for now we can just memorize like this, okay? So 만드. And plus, if they have a deletion, then it means they doesn't have any down consonant, right? Then how we can say 니은 저기. Wait, this is gonna be the writing version, okay? So like this, writing version. Yeah, writing. Okay, then how we can say 만든 적이 있다. Like this. 만든 적이 있다. Okay, this is how you can writing down. How about speaking? No, reading and speaking. Easy. 만든 적이 있다. This is how you can reading and speaking. Okay? 만든 적이 있다. 만든 적이 있다. Okay? For this one, the deletion of the real, we're gonna learn about the future. Okay? So you can just memorize this one first. Okay. Cry. This one also have a special case. Okay. So this one also have a real deletion. Okay. Then what is going to be? If we, this is also, let's try with the writing. If they have a real deletion, then how we can say? Ooh, right? Ooh plus, and then means they doesn't have any down consonant. So 니은 저기 있다. Okay, so for the deletion, everybody, for the deletion, they have like several option or like example of the situation, and this is the one of the example to have some consonant down consonant deletion. Okay, for the down this one have a real deletion because of the explain about the experience. Okay, so when you're trying to using with this format, we can use the deletion for these situations. Okay, but it's hard to remember everybody. Okay, so I'm gonna simplify everything at the future about the deletions. Okay, so then let's just continue it. 우 plus blah blah 니은 적이 있다. Then how we can say 운 적이 있다. 운 적이 있다. 운 적이 있다. This is how you can writing down. How about the reading version? Sorry. How about the reading version is 운 적이 있다. This is how you can reading. 운 적이 있다. 운 적이 있다. Okay. All right. Let's go to next one then. 추추추. Touch. 만지다. How you can say 만지다? 만지다 doesn't have any down consonant, right? 만지 plus. Let's try with the speaking. You doesn't have any experience. Then how you can say? Blah blah. 니은 저기 없. What you speaking is what? 없어요. Then 만진 적이 없어요. Okay. 만진 적이 없어요. This is how you can writing down. Okay. But how you can say with the speaking version, 만진 적이 없어요. 만진 적이 없어요. I didn't touch it. You can say like this. 만진 적이 없어요. 만진 적이 없어요. When you're trying to feel skilled, like so. I mean, you want to explain about your experience or your situations. You can also say, I didn't touch it. 만진 적이 없어요. Something like this. Okay. Okay. This one also have it. Buy. All right. How we can say with the buy? 사다. 사다 also doesn't have any down consonant. Then 사 plus what? 니은. Okay. Let's try with asking everyone. Okay. Okay. Let's try with the scolding version from the girlfriend or the wife. Okay. When you're trying to scolding your boyfriend or girl, your husband, let's say, like an experience. Are you sure you didn't buy this one? Like this, like. But I'm for sure that if you guys scolding somebody, you're not using the formal words, huh? But when I used to have a girlfriend, but I always argue with the formal word, but I don't know with everybody. So, but I'm gonna, as I told you, and I promised to y'all, I'm gonna give you the example with the formal version. Okay? Then, okay. 산 적이 없어요. You sure you didn't buy before? Like this. 산 적이 없어요. This is writing, but right. Okay. I'm gonna give you some I like to do the act, so I'm gonna try to scolding like a Korean 아줌마, Korean 아주머니. Okay, hold on a second. So the reason that you guys need to know the speaking version clearly because it's gonna give some more impact to the Korean people as well. Okay, like for example, like this, everyone. So if I speaking like 산 적이 없어요, 산 적이 없어요, with this one, or 산 적이 없어요, 산 적이 없어요, like this. Which one is more powerful? The second one, isn't it? So that's why you need to learn both of it, because if you want to speak like a Korean, then you need to practice in your place, okay? But don't try to scolding somebody, and you can just asking with the politely, okay? 산 적이 없어요. Like, honey, are you sure did you? honey, are you sure you didn't buy this one? Like, 산 적이 없어요. Then it's gonna be more scary to your husband or boyfriend, okay? I'm for sure that, because if they're not scolding or shouting, it makes the boys or like girls feelings more. I don't know for the ladies, but for the boys, it makes me more scared. Okay, so I will recommend you with this like this method to like checking their experience. Okay, okay, let's go to the next one. Shida. Okay, Shida. Let's try with the writing version. Okay, writing version. Shida is there, doesn't have any down consonant, right? And she plus what? She plus what? Yes, 니은 저기 있다. 신적이 let's try with the 없다. Because I want to rest, but I cannot rest. But I'm happy, everybody. Okay, and how you can say 쉰 저기 적이 없다. All right, this is how you can writing down. How about speaking? How you can say 쉰 적이 없다. 쉰 적이 없다. I never rest before. I never rest before. How you can say 쉰 적이 없다. Okay, but everybody, resting is really important. Everybody, okay. So enough resting can make your more productive life. Okay, why am I scolding right now? Whatever. Okay, so like this. 요리하다, cook is 요리하다. Then how you can say 요리하 plus there's no down consonant as well. Then how you can say this one. Copy and paste. Bam. Okay, then how you can say, okay, this is also writing version, okay? I can say 요리한 적이 없다. 요리한 적이 없다. Okay, I never cooked before. I never cooked before, everybody. But actually, I like to cook. How about you guys? Hope you guys can do the cook for the future in your life. Okay, then 한 적이 없다. This is how you can writing down. 요리한 적이 없다. I never had an experience. Then the person must be have some problem. At least they can cook themselves to survive themselves. Isn't it? So then how you can say 요리한 적이 없다. 요리한 적이 없다. This is how you can use it. All right. And last one, 청소하다. 청소하다. Okay. Let's try with the asking, scolding one more time. Everyone. Experience with nothing. 청소한 적이 없어요. Like this. Like this. Okay. 청소하 plus there's no down consonant, so plus blah blah 니은 적이 없어요. Then 청소한 적이 없어요. You never clean your house or something. You have your room. How's your room condition, everybody? Hope you guys are at least guys, you need to survive in your place. So hope you guys are clean yourself. 청소한, because I need to do the vacuum every day and mopping for once a 2 days myself. I'm living alone, so I like to live clearly. I like clean in the clean. So hope you guys are also doing, or if you guys are also living like that. Okay. So 청소한 적이 없어. Oh, sorry guys. 없어요. 청소한 적이 없어요. 청소한 적이 없어요. This is how you can using for the scolding. Oh no, I mean for the experiencing. Okay? 청소한 적이 없어요. Okay? So until here, everybody. Okay? Hope you guys understand what today's class. Okay? So make sure to practice yourself in your house. All the formats I already gave it to you. Okay? So please step by step, and there's never be late to practice from now. Okay? So don't be lazy. Okay? 게으르지 마시고 화이팅, 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 everybody. Okay? Then thank you for coming and see you at our next Korean class. Okay? Bye bye, guys. 뿅.